How to change channel without remote on LG TV. First of all, you're going to want to look towards the middle bottom of your LG TV. You can see underneath right here, you can see there's like a power button. You'll want to go ahead and press on that if you want to bring up this menu here. As you can see, it says press to be able to move, and also if you want to press and hold, it will be okay. So that means once you press that power button there, it's going to bring up this menu, and then you're going to want to go ahead and press this each time. So press it down just for like less than a second to be able to move it along until you see program up. Then you can press and hold it and click OK basically by doing that to then change the channel up. So if you're on channel 1, it goes channel 2 and upwards and so forth. We can also do the same thing if you want to go channel down, just by going along, pressing and holding it when you are okay on the channel. So that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.